Hey there, I am Chris Palmer, and in today's Google SEO video, what I'd like to share with you, or what I'd like to talk about, is the May 2022 core update that Google released in May that they've been torturing us with, that a lot of sites that have came to me, they're massively dropping in rank, losing half, if not more of their traffic, because we want to make the search better. But what I want to walk you through today is what I know, at least every instance that I've looked at, dozens of websites, and its variations on the webpage, correct? That's optimization. But relevancy, the most relevant, comes from co-occurring keywords, or LSI, and more notably, entities, right? And I'll share with you an example of this. Give me a second. I want to catch you up to speed. Now, if you come down to the second paragraph here, note this. Core updates are changes we make to improve searches overall, to improve search overall and keep pace with the changing nature of the web. To keep pace with the changing nature of the web. There's been a massive surgence of AI content, AI-assisted content. And there's one, Google's keeping pace with the ever-changing nature of the web, and they're focusing on relevancy. So, let's talk about this. I'm only going to show my site. I've looked at dozens of websites that have seen a drop, and it's been almost the same thing across the board. They're lacking LSI, co-occurring keywords, and entities. I'll share with you one of my own examples of where I know that this is 100%, at least in the local space, at least in my space, and I want to help you. What I want you to walk away from is this is an entity update. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. That is one piece of the update. Make sure you're writing clean content with a massive emphasis on relevancy. Optimization comes from exact matches and variations in the right places, like heading tags and in the body content and in your title, right? That's optimization. Relevancy equals rank. Relevancy comes from the other words talking about a specific topic, LSI, co-occurring keywords, and entities. Okay? Let's take a look at this example right here. I had a page. It's called Backlink Building Services. It was ranking number 5, 100%. Now on this page, I did. Now what did I change? I paid very close attention to the co-occurring key phrases, depending on the tool that you're using or whatever you're doing. If you're doing manually, it could be called NLP. It could be co-occurring key phrases. It could be called entities. However you want to phrase it in your mind and how you understand, that's fine. But I guarantee you, if you pay closer attention to the LSI words, the NLP words, the co-occurring keywords, and the entities, I guarantee you start getting your traction back. Pay close attention to word counts. Relevancy equals rank. Having the LSI, co-occurring, and entity keywords in abundance compared to competitors, you will rank better. This was a massive, massive piece of this update. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Check this page out right here. I literally went in here and sprinkles in the entities. This sucker dropped. I sprinkle in the entities. It rises right back up. This is just one example, but I guarantee you, I've looked at dozens of examples where it was AI or AI-assisted content or cheap content that was spun with Word AI or something like that. That's who got hit. This is an entity update, an LSI co-occurring keyword update. Pay close attention to LSI, co-occurring keywords, entities. Make sure your word counts are right. Make sure your heading tags are on point. I guarantee you'll regain some of your traffic and get your business back in order. Become more relevant. Relevant equals rank. Make sure your optimization is on point. Get your LSIs in check. You'll do a lot better. This is an entity keyword update. It's a piece of it. It's a part of it. I don't care what anyone else says. I hope this helps you out. I'm Chris Palmer. If you have any other questions related to Google SEO, Google updates, anything, never hesitate. Feel free. Go ahead and ask in the section below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next Google SEO, Google Core Update video.